This no longer has the typical buzz for the Pfaff Hobbymatic 807. This is what it sounds like now. It used to vibrate and rattle really bad. What I did was, the top of the motor down inside here has a rubber drive wheel on it, and it gets a flat spot in it from the machine sitting so long. Well, that flat spot rides on this side of the wheel, of the hand wheel, and that flat spot, every time it goes around, it makes a buzzing noise. So I took this off, took a chisel, stuck it on the wheel on the motor, and ground the rubber down until it was circular again. And that's how I took the bump out of the drive wheel.